Go. Let's see.
Mama, I needing to wash.
Ano, wash? Oh, galing nga. Hugas na ng plato ah. And then,
Tima,
hmm.
I got bubbles.
Hmm.
I got bubbles.
Sino may sabi maghugas ka?
Winter.
Winter?
Tugas ko.
Kumain ka na? Anong ulam mo?
Vegetable. Vegetable.
Vegetable? Ang galing naman. Vegetable yung kinain mo? Yan gagawin mo.
I make it. Tima, I got bubbles. Bubbles. It's bubbles.
Tapos, ano gagawin? Huhugas.
I'm
O, wash mo na sa water.
Like that. Turn
O,
on.
dali na. Hugasan mo na sa tubig. Tapos, saan lalagay?
I'm cleaning the wash. And then I'm going to clean the wash here. Clean the wash. Okay, follow me.
Kalat mo, Winter, oh.
Mom, okay. Hey, I got the hair here and this I finish here. Tintana, Okay, follow me. I'll show you what the something.
Oh, saan nalalagay yan? Diba dapat doon na rin sa plato?
The sun here.
Oh. Bakit lalagay dyan dirty? Dirty.
Very nice. Timagat ko na eh. It's clean. Very nice. Okay, follow me. Okay, this is the one that's open. Now we turn the ready. We have a stair. I'm cleaning through here, and then you can see so many go. But you have a zoo and find you something. There's your diamond here. Diamond.
Say bye-bye.
And you say you had to go side. Okay, it's a good side here.
Paano gagawin? Paano tutulong kay Mami? Mag-wash ng
And then tapos we need to clean na.
clean
Tima,
na
amoy mo, amoy.
amoy. Banong.
Mga, tima, amoy.
Banong nga.
It's really hina. I wash your hands and my face too. We need to place in here, right here. And ta-da! Okay, bye-bye.